Hey, what's up guys? It's Surajit here and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to make an obstacle avoidance voice control robot. Sounds awesome, right? So let's get to it. Now it's the show time. First turn on the power switch. Then open the Arduino Bluetooth controller app. Connect your robot with it. Then open voice command function and tap on the mic icon to send the voice commands. Move forward. Move backward. Move forward. Turn left. Turn right. Move backward. Move forward. I hope you liked this project. If you did, then don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe this channel for more amazing future projects. So with that being said, thanks a lot for watching and I will see you next time.